Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by signing into Davis using your institutional or personal account. Enable multi-factor authentication for security. Once signed in, verify your subscription level so the full drug monographs and calculators are available. Make sure mobile access is enabled if you'll work on the go. Next, open the Davis Home dashboard and locate the drug monographs section or the main search bar. This is where you start every lookup. These steps get you to the content quickly and securely. Search the drug name and immediately apply filters for dosage form, route, and patient population so results are relevant. Once the monograph opens, read the dosing, contraindications, monitoring, adverse effects, and interactions. These explain how and why recommendations exist. Use embedded calculators and dosing tables for weight-based or renal adjustments. They reduce error. Also open the patient education handout to copy clear counseling points. Make sure to cross-check interaction severity and suggested alternatives before finalizing therapy decisions. Finalize by documenting the Davis source and version in your chart notes and include the dosing rationale you selected so others can follow your decision. If you encounter conflicting information within the guide, compare relevant monograph sections, check update timestamps, and review any posted alerts or practice recommendations. If the platform behaves oddly, search failing, missing content, or load errors, clear your browser cache, relogin, and retry. If problems persist, contact Davis support with screenshots. This preserves safety and traceability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.